You should be excited to watch this video because everybody likes something they can drink. Everybody wants something refreshing and beneficial because we're all trying to cut down on sugars, and this is just the perfect video for you. Here we have a refreshing juice that is healthy for your heart, and here we have a smoothie made out of the pulp of what we use for this. You're going to love this video. It's very simple, straightforward, and it's short as well. So stay tuned.
And it went like.
So this is a very simple juice that we're going to make. Here we have beetroot, we have some seedless grapes, and we have two pears. So this is just very fresh. This is why it is called a fresh juice, because you make it on the spot and you use it up, right? Everything here has been washed. So first we're going to cut off the pears. Pears are very good for your heart. They come in different variety. There's this one. There's the local Nigerian pear that we use for that we eat with corn. I think there's another variant I can't remember at the moment. I think that because pear is not as sweet as apple, certain people don't like it. But honestly, pear is one of my favorite fruits. I don't even like apple. But with eating fruits, it's not just about how sweet the fruit is, it's about the nutrients you're getting from it. So, pear is known to have high potassium content, and this helps to lower blood pressure. So, it's a plus. It's very good for your heart. And pear is one of those fruits you can find um, throughout the year. I believe so. I mean, there's a time it definitely becomes a bit scarce, but most often than not, you'll find pear just like you find apple all the time. We've taken out everything that needs to be taken out of this pear. So we're just going to take this one out of its stalk, the grape. So grapes are a good source of vitamin C. And just like pear, grapes come in different variants as well. There's the green one, there's the local one we have that looks like oranges. Yeah, and grapes are very sweet for people who like sweet things or want to take sweet fruits. Grapes also have antioxidants that may help regulate irregular heartbeats or at least reduce them to a good extent. So that's also one of the reasons we have it for this juice. I think that a lot of people don't juice grapes just because grape on its own is very sweet, but I've juiced this a number of times and it always turns out so good. No matter the fruit you pair it with, it always comes out very good. Now for the beetroot, I'm just going to cut it into tiny bits. Beetroot help fight inflammation. I mean, aside the fact that it's very colorful, it supports brain health and it also keeps blood pressure in check. So the thing these three fruits have in common is that they help your heart. They keep blood pressure in check. They just basically help your heart. So this is what we have. This is supposed to be for garnish. Now we're just going to blend this and sieve it. It's time to blend this as opposed to using a juicer because some of us do not have juicers. This is pretty simple. Put in the fruits, blend and sieve. And we're also going to use the pulp to make a smoothie. So that way we make sure we are not wasting any part of the fruit. A bit of water. Just the water will just be on the same level with the fruits. Actually, it will even cover the fruits. So that's where it is. It's here. And I'm about to blend. So close your ears. Look at that. Next step is to sieve this. I have a bowl, I have this sieve, and I'm just going to pour this in. Ah, look at that. What I really love about this is that it's really colorful, you know. This is something you can give to a child and you won't be bothered about them saying no because the color alone is going to attract them while they also get the benefits that are necessary. So we're just going to stir this. This really looks like Ribena. That's just all it reminds me of. So for you to take healthy drinks, it doesn't have to be bitter, it doesn't have to be green, or it mustn't be green. So the beetroot, which is very good, just gives this a lot of color. A lot. Look at this color, is so beautiful, and I don't know why people do not like beetroot. I mean, I know it's a bland fruit, but this is where a sieve cloth is very important, because with it you can get as much juice as possible. You can squeeze out as much juice as possible. Since we're going to make a smoothie out of this, I don't even want to get off the juice entirely, so that I can have something to work with for my smoothie. So I'm going to put in milk now, ice cubes. We're done blending. This is what it looks like. Just make sure your blender can take frozen things before you try to blend something like this. So we have the juice, and we're just going to pour out the, look at that. So this can be in a glass, it can be in a bowl, whatever you would prefer to serve it in. I just feel like serving it in a bowl. And I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. And you can easily make this anytime, any day. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, by the way, we're going to garnish this with a grape. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.